Vjaġġ ta' 6 xhur f'12 pajjiż differenti fl-Amerika Latina u x-xlok tal-Asja wassal lill-fotografu Taljana Elsa Ellen ittella wirja fotografika b'ritratti ta' nies minn dawn il-pajjiżi differenti fl-imrieħel. Manet News elaborat aktar dwar il-ħsieb wara din il-wirja.
The exhibition is called Friendly Strangers, and that's the main, let's say, the concept of the whole exhibition, because it's a collection of portraits and faces and pictures that I collected all over the world, and it's basically speaking about the people I met during my travels and the people who welcomed me during my travels in each different country in different ways. So every photo has a different story, and it's linked to a moment that gave me a very nice memory that I brought home with me.
Hija ridet twassal il-messaġġ b'saħħtu li wieħed jista' jħossu komdu u milquh minkejja li jgħix il-bogħod minn daru.
It's more about the fact of being a traveler, a solo traveler around the world, and the experience of meeting a lot of people and sharing moments with them and being welcomed in different countries. So yes, I would say diversity, but in the sense of welcoming, like embracing the fact that we are so different but always the same.
Staqsejna lil Ellen x'wassala tagħżel ritratt partikolari minn ieħor.
Every photo has a story behind it, so I chose each photo for this exhibition. My choice was based on memories linked to that particular photo. And of course I chose portraits and faces of the people I met, but every photo has a story and let's say has a memory linked to that moment. So I picked the ones that were telling something about the welcoming in a different world, in a different country.
Il-wirja tibqa' miftuħa sal-ġimgħa 20 ta' April bejn id-9 ta' filgħodu u s-6 ta' filgħaxija fost il-ġimgħa f'Da Logics Gallery triq il-Palazz l-Aħmar l-Imrieħel. Ir-ritratti eżebiti f'din il-wirja huma l-beħ u parti mill-qlieħ se jmur għall-karità.